Hey y'all, welcome back to the DG Outdoors channel, guys. In today's video, I have the AR-15 versus AK-47 Airsoft Rifle Shoot-Off. This video is going to be fun. Again, it's just for fun, you know, but forever it's been a big controversy. What's better, the AR-15 or the AK-47? Today, we're going to find that out. The two guns that I'm going to be using today are the Elite Renegade by Game Face. This is my AR-15 style air rifle, okay, and the UK Arms P48 AK-47. These guns are pretty nice. Both of them value at about $50. The Elite Renegade was actually my birthday present, and we bought it at Real King for $50. And then the AK-47 by UK Arms was $43 on Amazon, and this was my Christmas present from my fiance. The guns are very similar. They are both spring powered. They are both single shots. Okay, they both have front, like rear and front sights. Okay, and they are all stock. The only thing that's not stock on it, okay, is the Protect flashlight I put on here for gameplay at night when I do airsoft stuff. So this one has ghost rings front and sights on it, and this one just has the regular style sights that come with it. The magazines are exactly the same. Okay, they are both. Where's the magazine? The kind where you pull the follower down, shake the BBs in there, and then you put it up in the gun. To make it fair, they are both shooting 12 gram BBs. Okay, these are actually shooting the red Game Face 12 gram BBs because this is a Game Face airsoft rifle, and this is shooting orange UK Arms BBs because that's what came with it. So I wanted to make it as fair as possible, shooting the BBs that came with the manufacturer of the gun. So guys, let's get over to the shooting range. I will show you guys the target, and we will get you shooting. Let's have some fun. Alright guys, so here's the target I'm shooting at today. It's a little vacuum box with a Gammo 5-inch target on it that I have yet to do a review on, but I will. But we got a new little vacuum cleaner for our house, so that's our target. Hopefully we can hit it. So I've been wanting to do this little shooting competition ever since I got the AK-47. I was like, why not? AK-47 versus AR-15 Airsoft Challenge. So here we go. Alright guys, so the gun I've chosen to shoot first is the AK-47 by UK Arms. It's the P48. And here we go. Check out the target real quick. Alright you guys, that was 10 shots. I wonder if I even hit the paper at all. I have no idea. It doesn't look like I hit on any of those whatsoever. I heard some of them hit. I didn't even hit the box at all. Some of them could have hit way over here, which is fine. So let's bring out the AR-15 AR-15 or the Elite Renegade. Alright, y'all, so now it's time for the AR-15 or the Elite Renegade by Game Face. Here we go. First shot. Second shot. Let's go check out those shots, guys. Alright, y'all, walking up to the target again. I wonder how many actually hit. Well, looks like one BB hit right here. I don't see any other holes or feel any other holes in the target whatsoever. Wow. Well, guys, this video didn't turn out the way I thought it would, but it was just for fun. Y'all stay tuned for my next video today. We're going to bring out the Game Face Voodoo Tactical Shotgun with some 20-gram BBs. That's going to be a fun video right after I upload this one. I don't think I had any misfires. I just think using 12-gram BBs aren't the best option with these. But it was just to have fun. I wanted to go out and do a video. So, the winner, according to the target, is the Elite Renegade by Game Face, the AR-15 style air rifle. So guys, this was just for fun. Sorry for the low light filming conditions. It's a little overcast out here today. I did have my selfie light on, but it didn't really do anything. And y'all remember, like, comment, subscribe. Jesus loves you, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.